stuff, that it be deactivated. And anything that is in your own highest good, highest joy, whatever that may be in your presence, be activated. Now we move in a bit different energy than you have seen this one. I think you can probably do the exact same. So understand that whether we point to you directly, you still receive everything that you ever wanted. You understand? So, dearest beings of light, and so it is, eh? Understand and know. If we want you to listen for a moment with your heart, not your brain. Arisuno makinati, o sanakinukanaka, o shanikawashakana, o sanokomahiatiko, alikanakanuma, o nchikaniki makanika, shukumakayaka, o lakniakamaka. Asamakiatika, o shakanika, kachinga, alikunakama, o kikato, ashikanika maka wokunaka. Adonai tatoba, Adonai patata, o shanapetnika, Aliko namaka, Aniko, Ashona, Wishnuga. Vishnuga with Takeni Shugana. Ashikanoa. You are the next evolutionary step. We've told you that many times. You are the ones we have been waiting for. You are here to shift the consciousness of this planet, along with thousands of others. We honor you. We give thanks for you. We see you. We have you. We hold you. We love you. We experience you. We experience your pain and your joy. And we wish to help with both. We are so grateful you decided to come to this planet at this time. We are so grateful that you decided to come to Denver, Colorado at this time, to learn more than you ever thought possible. And then we continue to learn and grow and be. We love you deeply. We honor you. We came all this way just for you. And we bid you namaste. Namaste. Whew. Well.